some important observations. The most high frequency Pythagorean triplet. High frequency Pythagorean triplets. High frequency Pythagorean triplets. High frequency Pythagorean triplets. These triplets, we are going to use it more or less in good number of problems. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 9, 40, 41, 11, 60, 61, 11, 60, 61 into K. K could be anything. K could be an integer, K could be a rational number, K could be an square, surd, anything. K could be any real number. K could be any real number. K can be any real number. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24. Right? 9, 40, 41, 11, 60, 61. K is a real number. K is a real number. Right? K is an integer. K can be integer. K can be rational number. K can be irrational number. So on and so forth. So these are called the basic Pythagorean triplets. These are called the basic Pythagorean triplets. Basic Pythagorean triplets. Basic Pythagorean triplets. Suppose I want derived Pythagorean triplets. 3, 4, 5 into 2, 6, 8, 10. 3, 4, 5 into 3, 9, 12, 15. 3, 4, 5 into 4, which is 12, 16, 20. These are all derived Pythagorean triplets. These are all derived Pythagorean triplets. Once the fundamentals are clear, then only the problem solving I will get into it. Without knowing the fundamentals, I firmly believe that if you are not good in fundamentals, you probably may not solve the problems very fast.